Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. To those of you that are new, I'm Queen, and in today's video, you guys, I'll be sharing with you some of my favorite skincare empties. And if you feel like this is something you'd be interested in watching, continue to tune in and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Well, first off, we're gonna start off with this Clinique Moisture Surge set. So this actually comes with the Clinique Moisture Surge moisturizing cream, the Clinique Moisture Surge face spray, and then the Clinique Moisture Surge overnight mask. When I tell you, especially in the wintertime, this thing is like the best thing you could possibly get. And I know that it's like mini size, but it lasts you a good amount of time, especially for it to only be $20. So this is also the Moisture Surge cream that comes in this set as well. I actually buy these by themselves too because it's really just that good. Ever since they came out with this, I have not been able to like live without it. When it starts to get empty, I buy another one. I've had so many, I can't keep count. What I really like about it is if you have any issues with like dryness or whatever in the winter, especially this is right here. It's great. And then on top of that is I have sensitive skin. It's really good for people with sensitive skin from my experience. Next, I'm going to get into this CeraVe Balancing Air Foam Cleanser. What I really enjoy about this product is when you use this, especially if you're like a full face makeup girly or just in general, when you finish using this, your skin feels so clean. It's so weird to describe how it feels because it's almost like this strip feeling, but it's not the strip feeling that leaves your face dry and dehydrated. And on top of that, your skin feels so soft. And also, it's free of added fragrances. So for my sensitive skin girlies, this is it right here. Let's get into another cleanser that's also very affordable. So the Good Molecules Hydrating Facial Cleanser, this right here, also really nice for my sensitive skin girlies. I really love this one. What I will be honest about this cleanser is that I feel like I prefer this more in the wintertime. And the reason why I say that is because it does exactly what it's saying, hydrating facial cleansing gel. So as far as like my skin is, and I keep referring to my skin, so if you guys are watching and you have similar skin or if you have the opposite, then you'll know if this would be good products for you or not. So basically in the winter when you start to get a little bit more dry, this will actually add moisture to your skin. For the price and for what it is, this is a really great hydrating cleanser. We're going to get into the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Water Cream. When I tell you, it's so good. It's so good. And she's pricey. But she's so worth it and she lasts a long time. So what I will say I really love about this is I love that it's exactly what it says, magic water cream. Think like water is giving hydration, but it's also really light. And that's what I like. It's so perfect under your makeup. And this is just my opinion. I don't feel like every moisturizer is good for under makeup. I have specific moisturizers that I like to use under my makeup because they're lightweight. I don't feel like it clogs my pores or any of that. It doesn't make my makeup look weird, and she's the one. Wintertime, springtime, summertime, she's the one. When I tell you the hype is real on her, the hype is real. She is amazing. Love this one down. Next, we're gonna get into the Good Molecules Lightweight Daily Moisturizer. Love her. For the price, super good moisturizer. It's gonna keep you hydrated. It's not gonna clog your pores, and it's super affordable. So, and she's also lightweight. Hadn't had any issues with using this under my makeup either. Really good and nice and affordable as well. Next, we're going to get into the Tatcha Dewy Milk Moisturizer. So what I will say about this one is I am such a fan of Tatcha. I love everything about the brand, what they stand for, the stories behind each product, and just the time and effort that they put into everything. Just the luxury of it all. And it's not hype. It's like you're paying for good skincare, like not even good, great skincare. What I will say about her is like she is everything that she says she is. Definitely gives you like that nice dewy hydrated look. In my personal opinion, I love her for the winter because she is lightweight and dewy, gives you that lightweight dewy finish. But in my personal opinion, for me, I'm a fan of her for the winter. And like I said, she's pricey too. So I would say that's what I'll say about this. It's a really great moisturizer. I feel like she's definitely worth it. But for my skin type, I like her more so for the winter. The last Tatcha product that I have in my empties is this Tatcha, the brightening serum. So what I'm going to say about this one is amazing. Like, absolutely amazing. First of all, I love a serum in general. Serums change your life. They always just provide this hydration. They bring moisture back into your face. And this one is amazing. She's pricey, and I bought her a couple times. Basically, what I really love about it, it has a 12-hour time release that has vitamin C and ferulic acid, and you only need 1 to 2 pumps of this, like morning and night. I'm just obsessed with this. It's so good, and you literally see the effects in your skin. If you have any dullness, because I feel like sometimes I experience a dullness, especially in the winter, and then sometimes in the summer too. But this right here, this product is definitely a good year-round product. It's literally one of the best serums I've ever used, and it's worth every dollar. I love it. This is the Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I have been using this for years. What I love about the hyaluronic acid is it does bring back moisture into your skin. It also plumps the skin. I noticed if I use it at night and I wake up the next day, my skin looks more glowy, super hydrated, and it just looks better. Serums, I'm telling you guys, like, I'm not a licensed cosmetologist or a dermatologist, but serums will change your life. Like, they're just so life-changing when it comes to bringing back moisture, plumping the skin, especially when you use them on a daily basis. Next, we have the Good Molecules Toner. So this is a niacinamide brightening toner. This toner is so good. If you have like enlarged pores, it improves the appearance of that. And for me, I just feel like when I use a toner, it does something to my skin. Especially, like I said, if you have that concern of like dull skin, this is just it. It just brings your skin back to life. If you don't have a good toner in your life, you need to find one. A toner should definitely be a part of your everyday skincare routine, and you just have to find whatever works for you. But I really love this one because they have a lot of different kinds of toners out there, and you just find out which one works for you. I use different kinds, and I just have like my little selection of which ones I actually use and rotate. But yeah, this is a really good one. So next we have the Good Molecules Pineapple Exfoliating Powder. So also, you guys, if you deal with dull skin and stuff, a lot of times that is because we get dead skin on our faces or our bodies just in general, and we just need to exfoliate it off and get that off. So this Good Molecules Pineapple Exfoliating Powder is like so good. I really love that it exfoliates, brightens, and softens the skin. When you use this immediately after, skin is so soft. It's crazy. And the last Good Molecules product that I have in my empties is these Good Molecules Caffeine Energizing Hydrogel Eye Patches. So yeah, these, wait, can you guys see that? Yeah, so these are like really good. I feel like when it comes to eye patches, you know, it could just be like trial and error for a very long time. I know for me, I don't know about everybody else, but I've had nicer, higher end ones that are like, you know, and whatever. But I feel like for the price point of these, like how effective they are, I feel like you really can't miss with these. I usually like to do them at night, and the next morning I could see a difference. I mean, better than any other thing that I've used. It's 60 of them. 60 patches, and it's like 30 pairs. Like, it's 30 pairs of them in here. They definitely energize, and I know that they definitely do hydrate tired eyes. So if you're looking for affordable yet effective, you know, eye patch, these are really good if you haven't tried them. Next, we're going to get into a Verse. So the Verse Day Dissolve Cleansing Balm is so good. Love it. I feel like it's really gentle. I love how it just immediately melts everything off, especially on those makeup days when you just you know, have the full face, you need everything to go off, I feel like this is like such a great gentle cleansing balm. If you haven't tried it, I would definitely recommend. This is a really good cleansing balm. Love it. Last but not least, we have the Verse Doctor's Visit Instant Resurfacing Mask. So yeah, I actually even like left just a little bit in here just so you guys can see. So I'm gonna just spread this right here like this so you can actually see it. I left like a really little bit, and that's how it goes on. Like that's what that mask looks like. When I tell you immediate results, like I can't make this up. And for the price point of it, you can't beat that. One thing that I noticed or whatever about Verse is nobody talks about their face masks like this, but their face masks are actually my favorite products. They had another mask that I really loved and they discontinued it, and I was so confused on why. It was a clay mask in like a pouch, and it was amazing, and they got rid of it. But they still have this one, and this one is said to be made for, I guess, like they said, aging skin or dullness. And I tell you guys, I have like the dullness issue, especially in the wintertime with my skin, or even if I get like a sunburn, I feel like it does that too. But I really love this or whatever, like a lot. When I tell you it is so good, it's so good. Like if you ever feel like your skin is stressed out, because sometimes it's just like that, whether it's dullness, you know, a little while has been gone by since you had like a sunburn or just anything. And I'm just telling you guys this off of my personal experience. Or if you just feel like your skin is dry and it's just been going through a lot, get this. And like I said, for the price point, you can't beat it. And it lasts a really long time, even though the jar is small. If you're not using it all the time, it will last, because a little goes a long way. And I just really, really love it. I feel like more people should be talking about Verse masks. They have really good masks, especially this one. Immediate results or whatever. I can't even make this up. Immediately, as soon as you use it, when you let it sit and you rinse it off, you automatically see a difference in your skin, which I think is really impressive. So if you're looking for like, you know, like a little skin pick-me-up mask is really going to be effective after like one use, so whatever the case may be, this is it. You should definitely give this a try. So yeah, I hope you guys really did enjoy this video today. Like I said, I get asked a lot of times about like my skincare routine, products that I use, and like I just want to be honest with you guys about stuff like that, because your skin is nothing to play with. And like I said, I'm not a licensed cosmetologist or a dermatologist. I'm just a person that loves like skin and beauty. My mom is a licensed cosmetologist and everything, so she teaches me a lot. But I really am just here for healthy skin, you know, with or without makeup. And yeah, so if you guys have any questions about any of the products that I mentioned in this video today, you know, leave it down in the comments below as well. This video is not sponsored at all. These are all like, you know, my true thoughts and everything. And even if it was sponsored, I'm still going to tell you guys the truth. If you want more skincare videos, let me know down in the comments and I'll get to work. Okay, I got you guys. So yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.